This is the light above the license plate. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. This is off a 2006 BMW 530i. So I'm gonna just go around it and show you what it looked like. Then we're gonna go out there and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to take off. I broke the first one, which you're gonna see on the car. But these are the lights right above the license plate so that you can see the license plate. I'm gonna zoom in. But say for instance, the license, this is on like this. What you have to do is take a screwdriver or something and put it in that slot right here and push it this way. So you're gonna push it to the right. Don't try to bend it like that. That's how I broke mine. And when you push it that way, it's a little spring here. You see this spring? So when I push it to the right, that spring gonna go in and this is gonna pop out. As you can see right in here, you see that little groove in there? It goes, that piece of metal slips right in there. So if you try to pull it straight up, it's gonna break. Believe me, I broke mine. So what you got to do is put the screwdriver in and you're gonna force it to the right a little bit, and then it'll pop up like that. So let's go and take one out and change it. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. All right, you see this one right here? You don't wanna put that screwdriver in and pull it this way. You see, I already broke that one. You see how it broke? I put a little super glue on it. You don't wanna do that. Here go the correct way to take the light bulb off, the license plate light. First, you wanna take a screwdriver. You wanna put it in this groove. And if you see me, I'm gonna just push it this way. You're gonna see it move right here. It's gonna move and I'm gonna pull out a little bit. And you see how I took it out? Then I'm gonna slide that forward, pull the back end out, slide it out. And that's it. It's real simple. And to change the light bulb, just come right here and pull it out. And then you can put the new one. And you can get these at any AutoZone, or you wanna look in the description, you can purchase some in the description. And put the light bulb in. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this off right here, just to show you. And you might have to put a little knife right there, but if you wiggle it, it should come loose. Now you see, that's the fitting. And this for a 2006 BMW 530i. So we're gonna put this back together. And I'm gonna show you how to put it back in. First, you wanna slide this in right here. Once you slide that part in, you wanna put this back end in, and it's gonna push and it'll pop in place. I'm gonna do it one more time. We're gonna do it fast here. Put the screwdriver in, slide it and pull a little bit, come right out. Slide it forward a little, pop the back end out, slide it out. That's it. You put it back in, slide it in, put the back part in right here, and then it slides back and it pops in place. And that's it. And that's how you change the light or light bulb for the tail light. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off anyway, because I got to change it. So you do it the same way, slide it forward, pop out. That's it. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. All right.